Alright guys, got a quick 8-minute workout for you. Get down on the mat, get down on the floor. You got 8 minutes of pain, let's go. 8 minutes of change. Eight minutes for change. Crunches. Let's go. Lower back on the floor. Chin up. Crunch. That's it. Let's go. You can do it. Crunch. 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 Alright, let's go. We got mountain climbers. Get those knees up. Let's go. Work. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Work. Push. Push. Keep those knees up. Dig. Dig. There you go. Alright, back to crunches. Let's go. Clear your mind. Clear your mind. Don't be counting reps. You ain't got nothing else to do in the world right now. Crunch. Crunch. Alright, let's go. Reverse crunches. No breaks here. Get that lower back off the ground. Curl it towards your chest. You want that burn. You need that burn. That burn means you're changing. We're changing the body. We're changing the mind. Push. 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 You got it. Keep going. Keep going. It's not supposed to be easy. It's not supposed to be easy. Push. 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 the crunches. No breaks here. No breaks. Keep your foot on that gas. Let's go. Keep that chin up. Crunch. 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 Breathe. Breathe. Be careful what you're telling yourself. Be careful what you're telling yourself. It's not supposed to be easy. Alright, we're not done yet. Mountain climbers. This is where we leave it on the mat. Where we leave it on the mat. Push. Go. 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 Everything you got. Everything you got. Breathe. Breathe. You got this. This is what separates you from the pack. This is what makes you different from the rest. Demand change. Demand change. Leave it on the mat. Alright guys, good job. That's how you fight.